Is there a waiting period for earthquake insurance policies? Do you have to wait a certain number of days or certain amount of time before your earthquake insurance policy goes into effect? Unlike flood insurance and other natural disasters, earthquake insurance policies don't have a waiting period because of the unpredictable nature of earthquakes. But earthquake insurance companies will put a moratorium in place if there is a major earthquake in the area. So you will not be able to purchase a new policy after a major earthquake of like a 5 or 5.5 magnitude, depending on the company. Earthquake insurance companies will not allow new business or changes to existing earthquake insurance policies, like lowering your deductible from a high deductible to a low deductible, because the earthquakes that follow the initial quake can be greater, and the insurance companies are afraid of the damage that will result from the earthquakes that are to follow the initial quake. So it's important to have an earthquake insurance not on the last minute, but before an earthquake takes place. If you'd like to learn more about earthquake insurance, give us a call or go to our website at earthquakeagent.com.